Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. It's Josh here with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Yeah, I know I don't look as good as the picture here, but it is what it is. Anyways, you guys, welcome to the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about something we've already talked about before. And I know you guys might be getting bored of me talking about the Tillful Business Credit Card that's coming soon. Why I'm talking about it is because you guys don't want to miss it. And this is going to be a very short video. You got to get on the waiting list. Why you have to get on the waiting list is it's not just a prepaid secured card that's coming. It's so much more. And I wish I could divulge in the other details. But Mr. Kinso, the founder, CEO, he'll be on the channel here soon and talk about that. But before I get into the website, just look how good it looks, huh? Look pretty good, huh? That was my designer. Okay. Anyways, enough about me. Let's get right into it. So, you guys don't need any introduction about Tillful. Okay? Meet the Tillful card. It's a business credit card that works as hard as you. I've already made a video about this. Last time we made this video, Tillful had technical difficulties, so please resubmit on the waiting list. Just resubmit, please, because they had technical difficulties with their software. So all you have to do is hit join the waiting list, put in your first name, your last name, your email address, and then join the waiting list. That's all you have to do. It's that simple. I'm not going to make this video any longer than it needs to be. It's that simple. It's going to help you build business credit up. I back them 100%, okay? I'll let you guys go through it. There's early access, okay? It reports to Experian Business, Dun and Bradstreet, Equifax. It builds business credit. What other one does that? There's Brax, there's Divvy. Those are all different credit builder programs just like that. But they don't report to all three. So come on, get with the program, you guys. Let's go. It's a no-brainer. And look, software, utility, monthly rent can also get reported. Look, Kenso, the founder, he's done so much. We haven't even got into what he does. He's going to be on the channel here soon, and we're going to talk about all that. Sorry, I'm a little excited. I don't know. I had maybe 2 more Red Bulls than I probably should have tonight. Anyways, just get the card. Join the waiting list, okay? They have iPhone, and I think they already got Android, if I'm not mistaken. It says Apple Store only, but I think they already got the Android. I'm not going to bore you guys with the details, but it doesn't do a hard pull. And you guys might ask, what's the point of having a secured card? I'm just going to be real with you guys. I've never steered you guys wrong, especially the 25,000 I think we have today. I think we'll be at 25,000. I think we're about 20 away from being at 25,000 subscribers. I've never steered you guys the wrong way. I think I have more approvals than any other business credit channel. I'm the only one that's actually endorsed by Experian Business. Proof is in the pudding. I don't BS. This is something that you want to sign up and join, okay? It takes 2 seconds. Join the waiting list. Get us to number 1. We're at number 2 right now. Get us to number 1, all right? Just join the waiting list. It doesn't hurt, okay? Just join the waiting list. All you have to do is hit join the waiting list. Your first name, last name, email address, join the waiting list. That's it. That's all I'm asking you to do. You don't have to take the offer if you don't want once they launch the product. But it's going to be launched here soon, okay? With all that being said, you guys take care. Love you guys so much. I got 2 more videos coming out, hopefully tonight. Till next time, you guys take care. Love you so much. Bye-bye.